Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with Baby May. So today with my husband, I have the big news.
And the big news is we're buying or building a house.
Yes.
And so that's not really a secret anymore. We've tried to keep it under May's proverbial hat over there because we don't like to talk about things we're going to do. We may not end up doing them. We make videos after the fact, after we know that it's a true statement, like us getting married.
Yeah.
We never once told anybody on YouTube or very many people really in person that we're getting married because I knew it was going to be a long process.
Yes.
And so we waited until we actually were married and then made that video. So what's that got to do with this? Well, it was 7 months ago that we purchased land, and it was just recently that we finally got all the paperwork back and organized that we can look you in the blues and say, okay, we own this piece of land. That's a process.
Yes.
So, but it's a true statement. We have also been shopping around for contractors, someone to build the house. And we finally, after many interviews, talking with a lot of clients or customers that are building houses with different groups, different guys, different people, we landed on the Orange Kite Group, which we felt was the most competent and got the most bang for the buck, and we felt the most comfortable with. And I'm glad I did that because I went on my gut. I also went on information, but I trusted my gut. And I had a not such a great gut feeling with this guy. Personality-wise and everything, we get along great. It was that I had a bad gut feeling with a couple of the other people that I talked to, and believe it or not, a couple of them have gone sideways. And it was not because I'm so smart. It's just because I listened to my instincts. I said, there's just something off about this whole situation. I don't want to go with this dude. And unfortunately, people that I know are in the middle of builds right now are unhappy campers. And so we will tell you the way it is throughout this whole process. I wanted to do the inaugural video on my wife's channel because the house, even though it's being built for us, is eventually going to become hers solely because there's a 30-year age gap between us. It's pretty simple to figure out that I'm going to meet my demise well before she does. So I wanted to make sure that my wife was set up with an equitable entity, like a house, something that would most likely go up in value, although that's not really here or there. The bottom line is that she's got a nice place to live, modern. It's going to have solar. It's going to have solar, a lot of water sources, all this other good stuff. And we're going to get into details on that in future videos. There's a lot to cover on a house build. And we are actually going to kind of split it up between her channel and my channel. Yeah. And speaking of channels, her little channel has been growing a lot lately. And so I'm speaking for her because she's got a migraine and her tongue keeps getting tied. So I said, I'll just do all the talking. She's had a big uptick in subscribers and I want to thank you for joining the Today with Baby May channel and becoming part of her family. And we do feel like some of our subscribers are family. Yeah. Like China Dave, and I could go on and name names all day long about people we've made lifelong friendships with over the years on both of our YouTube channels. But this one is Today with Baby May. If you're new and you're watching something like this for the first time, we would really appreciate it if you like it, that you be a fellow subscriber and join the team. Okay, so the motivation was to buy and build so that she has something when I'm gone, and to make it as cost-effective as possible. I learned a long time ago, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money that you owe. So if she owns this house free and clear, and it's generated by electrical solar power, she will have an overhead. If we're talking about internet, water, you do have to connect to the electric grid no matter what. And there's a small fee on that. But I figured it out that it would, with taxes, internet, there will be a water bill, there will be a small electric bill, even though it's totally powered by solar, about $100 a month, about 5,000 pesos. She can scrape up 5,000 pesos all day long, or all month long, I should say. You have your channel. You're not above going out and working if you had to. The bottom line is, when I'm gone, I want to make sure that her overhead is as close to zero as possible. And yet she's got a safe little compound to live in, something that she can. I said, what happens when I die? Are you going to sell it? Are you going to do this? Are you going to do that? And your answer was, no, I'm moving my family in.
Yes.
Because family is everything to her. And she's proven that over and over again. Now, as a bonus, we went out today. This is why we're doing the video today. And I did a little 3-minute video clip showing you guys the lot that we bought and giving you just a little tour. And like I think I mentioned that they're digging up stumps from the coconut trees that were cut down. And I explained a little bit about what we're doing in the clip. This video is going to be relatively short. We're 7 minutes in. We're going to stop now, show you the clip, and that'll be the end of the video. So it'll be about 10 minutes of your life. I just wanted you to understand the motivation of why we're doing this, what it looks like, give you a little preview, sneak preview, first time is here on the Today with Baby May channel. And there's going to be lots of videos to come out in the future. This is just the beginning. And we're going to go take you on her channel and mine. We're going to take you step by step. I'm going to have the attorneys on that will be able to walk you through the proper way to purchase a house or a piece of land or both. The proper way to sort of vet out a contractor, how to do that, or at least what we did. All right, I don't want to sit here and babble on forever because I know you guys have got busy lives. So thank you once again for being a subscriber to Today with Baby May. And if you're not, we would love it if you would consider subscribing to the channel and joining us on our journey. Okay?
Yes. Thank you, Daddy Paul, for helping my YouTube channel. And guys, see you there and see you next video. Bye-bye.
And here comes the clip. Okay, Baby May, you ready to give a little perimeter walk here?
Yes.
All right, let's rock and roll. Go.
Let's go.
All right, so there's the first tree right there. And then all along this road, we actually own this road, but we've given up our rights to it as far as the folks behind us. When I say our rights, I mean we agree to not impede their progress of using it. Last thing you want to do is make enemies with your neighbors. So, we got a lot of trees here, and the wall is actually going to be outside the trees because May loves her coconuts.
Yes, I love coconut.
Keep going, baby. You got a little further to go. Take it down to that tree. All right, now make a left. Your other left. Go, keep going. Okay. So we're going to go all the way down to this corner here. Pretty much to this coconut tree here. And that's pretty much the end of that landline. And then we're kind of filming into the sun. That's the view of the lot. And as you can see, we have, Tada's been eating a lot. But this is them clearing out the stumps from the coconut trees that were cut down. And this is them filling it back up the holes. And here is a coconut tree stump in progress. And so we have 1,495 square meters. I think we have a total of 1384 buildable square meters. So, baby May, are you excited about your house?
Yes, so much.
Really?
Yes.
All right. Well, congratulations, young lady.
Good. You and me.
Are you going to kick me out as soon as it's done?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm just checking.
Forever together with me.
Hold on a second. What's that?
Forever we're together with me.
Forever together.
Yes.
All right, girlfriend. I mean, wifey. All right. So that's a little tour of, let me back up here, them working here. And we do come off of an asphalt road. So we'll be going asphalt to asphalt, ass to ass, however you want to put it. And then this is our neighborhood here. That's to the left of us. We just talked to the guy behind us.
Yes.
He came by on his motorbike and he said that, I asked him if this land was for sale and he said no. And I said, well, that's good news. We won't be having weird neighbors at least for a while. All right, see you later.